Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to be trying some new veggie burgers. It's this brand right here, Hillary's. It's organic hemp and greens veggie burgers. Honestly, I was making an Amazon grocery delivery order last night and I saw it on there and I was like, that sounds interesting. And then they were also on sale for like $2. So I was like, I might as well try them because I was planning on getting some veggie burgers anyway. So I got some other veggie burgers too. But this is my first time trying these. And y'all, I don't know about these. These things literally look green. Can y'all see that? They look green. But I'm about to put them in the oven. I was gonna do them on the stove top, but I need some oil for that and I don't got no oil. So they just gonna go in the oven. I'm so scared they're gonna be nasty. So I'm glad I got other options to eat just in case they don't turn out well. But we gonna see. All right, they're in the oven. I gotta put them in there for 10 minutes and then I gotta flip them over and put them in for 5 more minutes. They smell healthy. And usually that's an interesting sign about new food. I can't say they smell good. I'm not gonna say they stink, but they just smell like some plants, honestly. But I'm excited to try them. Still trying to figure out how I wanna finish furnishing my apartment because I've been here almost 3 months now. I swear this time's been passing by so quickly. And there's still like a few things that I gotta get. I just got a new TV. And Best Buy, y'all really got me. So the box that I had, we'll go get it and show y'all, but I don't feel like doing all that. The box it had 50-inch all up on it. So I'm thinking I'm finna give me a 50-inch TV. Mind you, I had to go to the store and get this TV because the TV that I had delivered, it was a 50-inch TV, but it arrived cracked. So I had to take it to the store. My dad helped me do that. And so we got this TV. And then so I took it there. I've been watching it. Like, I'm not really good with measurements and all that. My dad, he was over a few days ago. And he was like, that TV look kind of small. And I was like, I mean, I guess. I don't really know because I'm not really good with sizes and stuff like that. And so after he left, for some reason, I was just really curious to see how big the TV was. So I got my little measuring tape out, measured the TV. It's 44 inches. I'm like, I know that box say 50 inches, so I had to pull the box back out. Good thing I saved it just so I can have the satisfaction of knowing that this TV is not the size I was supposed to be getting. So the box is say 50 inches, but it meant 50 inches diagonally. That's the thing. Like, why would you do that? Because you got me thinking it's about to be 50 inches wide. Like, who cares about the diagonal length, width, whatever? Like, does it really matter? So I'm like, they got me. They really got me with that one. But it's cool. Because the size of the TV that I have, it's fine for the space. Because I wasn't really pressed about getting a big TV anyway. I think I said that in one of my previous vlogs anyway. Because I had a smaller TV in here. I think that was like a 30-inch TV. And I was like, it's not bothering me. Hush. Come. Ooh, oh my gosh. I know these gonna be so nasty. I might as well go on and get ready to eat my little frozen dinner. Cause this, no. What was I thinking? And all right, back on the topic of groceries. I haven't done Amazon grocery delivery in, it's over a month, I think. So I'm trying to think of the most cost-effective option because I really like to save my money. And when you're shopping online for groceries, I think it's a lot more expensive than it is in stores. So I was like, I'm gonna just start going to the grocery store and buy my groceries. Because the main reason I avoid the grocery store is because it just makes me so anxious being in grocery stores, especially since I'm in a new city. I don't know my way around that well, and just being around any place that has a lot of people makes me really anxious, so I try to avoid it. But these past few weeks I've been going, and I mean, my anxiety hasn't been terrible. It's been getting better. It's a lot easier to do now, and I'm happy about that, but it's so annoying now because it's like the only time I can really go to the grocery store is late in the evening once I get off work because I'm not a morning person. I can't do it. And on the weekends, I'm not gonna wake up early just to go grocery shopping. And even in the afternoons, I don't really want to do that either. I want to chill on my off days. So yeah, I just don't do it. So the only time I really can go is in the evening, and it's like every time I go in the evening, it's like the store is always crowded and it's like it's hardly any cashiers, and I hate standing in long lines, and it's just it bugs me. I can't do it. So I said I'm gonna start doing grocery delivery, or at least grocery pickup or something where I have everything pre-ordered, because I can't deal with them lines. Like, I don't mind waiting, but it's just like when the line is super long, because I think the last time I went to the grocery store a few days ago, I was in line for I don't know how long, at least like over 30 minutes, I think. And it was like 10, 12 people in front of me, and I said, this is ridiculous. Makes for an annoying shopping experience. I know I'm just really complaining right now. Well, hopefully y'all okay with me venting, because that's just really how I feel. So grocery delivery is for now. But I'll probably still go into the stores just whenever I need to get like something specific that might not be available on Amazon. I think finding groceries and stuff, that's probably the hardest part about being an adult. Does it ever get easier? All right, the oven just went off, so turn it off. Let's pull these things out of here. I'm honestly just scared to try them. Oh. I got these. Let's just use these. Like, this foil is really hot. Okay. Cool. All right. Also got some buns, Whole Foods brioche buns, and some organic cheese. And I'm not ordering organic stuff for a particular reason. It just so happened to be what I got. And I'm also not on a vegan diet. I just decided to try it. Oh Lord, y'all. All right, let me show y'all what it look like. If y'all say this look good, y'all lying. And I wish I could smell it. It smells like, it honestly smells like broccoli. I'm just gonna go for it. All right, first bite. Y'all ready? I'm asking y'all, are y'all ready? Like, y'all about to eat it. All right. Oh my gosh. To the trash this goes. And this one too. I need something with flavor to wash that down. I mean gummy bears. Y'all, that was one of the worst things I ever tasted in my life. And I'm not exaggerating, that was gross. And most of the burgers that I've had that are plant-based have at least kind of tasted like meat. Like, you could be like,
oh, wow, this actually tastes like meat.
But these right here, they taste like greens. I mean, if the box does say hemp and greens, so I don't know why I'm surprised, but man, these nasty. I will never, ever in life order these again. I don't care how cheap they are. They nasty. They might be for some people, but they are not for me. I'm not gonna say I'm bad because I wasted them because they were cheap. So it's all good. And I kind of went in after looking at them. I went in knowing they were gonna be nasty and probably gonna end up in the trash. But I had higher hopes than that for these. Y'all free to try them if y'all want to. Let me know if y'all do in the comments down below. But I might ever try them again. Guess what I'm gonna be eating instead. This chicken parmesan, which I know is really good. So it's gonna take a minute. I think it takes an hour in the oven, but I'm willing to wait.